Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hit the ring bell for the new videos I post almost every week. So Diwali is coming and candle is the only thing which will brighten up our Diwali. So in today's tutorial, we'll be making this super quick and easy water candles for coming Diwali. So to begin with, we need some glass jars. You can take any cup, any honey jar, any glass, any small glasses, any small bowl. We need one plastic sheet, some cotton wick, and if you don't have cotton wick, you can always take this kind of thread and you can make your own candle wick. Now we'll make our first candle, and I'm going to take this honey jar. I'm taking some pebbles, some artificial leaves, and pour some water into the glass. Now to make a candle stand, we are going to take this plastic sheet and we are going to cut it in the shape of a circle, and then we are going to make a hole in the center so that we can put a cotton wick inside it, something like this. And now we are going to pour some oil. You can use any oil you have, and make sure that you add enough oil for candle to burn. And now burn the candle and see how beautiful this is looking. Now we're making a second DIY, that is with this small glass. Same process, add some water. And in this DIY, I'm going to take this acrylic color and I'm going to mix it in the water. And I'm going to take this glitter and I'm going to add it into the glass. And if you're liking this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel. And same process, we are going to add some oil. And place the cotton wick in the center of your candle, and our second DIY is done. Now we'll make third DIY, that is with this beautiful glass. In this DIY, I'll be using some artificial flowers. You can take any of your old artificial flowers and convert it into this beautiful candle. And same method, same process, we're going to add oil in the glass and keep the cotton wick in the center of the glass, and our third beautiful candle is ready. For some extra shine, you can add some glitter on it. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. And now let's make our fourth DIY. This is the most easy DIY in which you can take any of your old accessories, something like this, and you can put it in the glass, pour some water, add some oil, and keep your cotton wick in the center and light your candle. So the most simple candle is ready. So did you see how simple this was to make? You just need a little bit of water and some oil and your beautiful Diwali candles are ready. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel. And if you're new to our channel, watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.